Hello, ma'am. I understand something's going on with your air conditioner.
Sure is. Come on in, Sonny. What's your name? I'm so glad that you're here. What's your name, Sonny?
Well, my name is Jim. So what's going on with your air conditioner, ma'am?
Let's talk about it in here. Please have a seat next to my granddaughter. What would you like to drink?
Water would be great, thanks.
Coming right up. I'd like you two alone so y'all can talk together for a while, okay?
Do you want some candy?
I got some cookies too.
They're really good.
Thanks anyway. I'm okay.
You sure? They're really good.
I'm good. Thank you.
Mr. Spell, tell us something about yourself.
I'm an air conditioning tech, obviously.
Are you single?
Well, yes.
Grandma! Leave that man alone!
Shut up, moron. I'm trying to get your daughter a man. Okay?
Grandma, I'm only 16.
You want to show me that air conditioner, man?
Don't you want to stay and get to know my granddaughter better?
I'm out of here.